Ben&Ben, self-titled EP. This is their first EP released in year 2016. Well, let's start. The front cover. Oh yeah, this band started in year 2015 known as the Benjamins. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, not again. Alright, yes. Title. Yup. No catalog number. And they. That's 7 tracks. 6 songs, 1 instrumental. Kadena is an instrumental. Okay, let's check what's inside. Yes. Alright, very nice. One. Oh, no. Oh, there you go. One, the CD, and the booklet. Okay, let's check the booklet. Okay, let's leave it. Yeah. Band members. Yes. Okay. Alright. Okay. Yes. The self-titled front cover poster. Yes. So great. And lyrics. Credits also. Okay, let's check it out. Oh no no no. Oh no. Okay. Is it great? Wait. Wait. Okay. Nice. Ride home. And yes. Kathang Isip. Susi. Oh, the band members. Leaves. Strange. Dahilan. Credits. Wait. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Special things. Nice. Ah, yes. So cool. Okay, let's check the CD. Alright. Oh, okay. This is an factory press CD. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, check it out. Wait, what? What the? Oh, what happened? Oh, okay. Oh, oh no, no. Oh no, you don't. Please let me. Okay. Alright. That's the code. Ben. What's this master? Oh, oh wait. Okay. Ben. That's it. Okay. Cool. Follow them on Facebook. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. Follow them on Spotify. Follow them on Instagram. And follow them on Twitter. So, that's it for tonight. Support the band by buying their merchandise and going to their gigs. Subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and stay safe everyone.